So guys, welcome to our channel guys. We're still on the non-stop pack opening of Mega Symphonia. And as you can see guys in our previous videos guys, we've been opening a lot of this Mega Symphonia lately because we're chasing for Acerola, Mischief, SAR. So that's our chase card for today and hopefully we can get something big today. So last time we got our Mega Gardevoir SAR and we're really happy to get that. So hopefully today we can get something big. So this would be our last box because I don't have any box. These are last box guys. And it's crazy. It's crazy how we open packs lately. So probably I'll be opening another box maybe next month because this month we already opened a lot. So we'll be showcasing our hits on the next videos because we don't have any boxes left. So without further ado, let's open our 4 packs for today. Hopefully we get something big guys, and I need to rest as well, so I'll be sleeping after this video as well guys. So let's go. First 4th pack magic. Oh, okay, we got the garden. We got the green garden. Oh, Delibird. Yes, Delibird. Illustration rare. It's a good sign. It's a good sign, but not so good. So, oh my god. I'm really hoping, guys, we really get a good hits for today. So that SR is not so good. It's like a normal SR only. Actually, that garden is very low. I think that would be 20 ringgit only. So it will not cover our cost. So today we're targeting to get, if we will not be lucky to get SAR, then hopefully we can get a lot of illustration rare. So that would be our target for today. And if we're lucky, hopefully we're lucky, we get the gold. That's it guys. Hopefully we get the gold guys. Again, you again. We get the gummy bear again guys. Oh my god, they always got this dog. Holy moly. So we got, oh my god, they get Wally again. I don't know guys if this is a good sign or I think this is a bad sign because you see we already get how many? Wally, this one 20 ringgit, this one 20 ringgit, 20 ringgit. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 100 ringgit. 3 illustration rare and 2 SR already guys in the first packs. I don't know if this is good or bad, but in my opinion this is a bit bad guys. Imagine guys, we haven't opened much packs yet and we got those much hits. So I think is either we are very lucky on this box that we got a lot of hits, or there are no hits on the succeeding packs. So that's the trick here in Pokemon pack opening. So hopefully still got some hits. Hopefully guys, finger crossed. Let's see on this 2. Finger crossed. Oh my god, nothing. Only holo card. So still got a lot of packs guys, more than 20 I think. No, yeah, probably 20 packs remaining. Okay, 20 packs remaining guys for this set. And if you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed guys, please do me a favor by subscribing to our channel guys. Really appreciate it. Thank you in advance and God bless. Hopefully we get something big guys. I saw something. Okay, EX, Latios EX. And this one is probably yeah. Oh, see? There's nothing left. So that's a bad sign. If you get a lot of illustration rare, then probably this box is full of illustration rares only. But hopefully there's a magic, you know, and hopefully we can get some, you know, some God pack. I haven't opened God pack yet, guys. Alakazam. Alakazam. Always alakazam. Okay, so this last three. Wait. This last three. Okay, let's go. Let's go. My God. Okay. Uy, I saw something there. Oh, mag-jet trick again. Oh my God. EX card only. Ay, mag-jet trick again. So we have remaining very few packs left. And I'm seeing something. It's either good or bad. So that's only, but the probability of bad packs or bad box is 60% because we already got 2 SR. So probably we'll just get some illustration rares and some EX cards. I'm expecting 3 more EX cards. Okay, 3 EX and 2 illustration rares. So that's my expectation. Worst case scenario. But best case scenario, we'll get another illustration rares. I mean, we'll get a super rare card. That's the best case scenario, guys. I saw something. Oh, EX. I think we're on the worst scenario, guys. Oh my God. Holy moly. I'll clean this up tomorrow. I don't have any energy left. Probably I'll buy another packs, guys. Probably. Hopefully we can get something big. Mega Symphonia. Mega Symphonia Kangaskhan. A lot of EX. Oh my God. Oh my God. Really, oh my God, guys. Because this is the last packs. It depends on this last 5 packs, guys. I'm really disappointed a bit on the hits on these packs. It's really disappointing. But probably, yeah, we still got some hope. 5 packs is how many percent of 30 packs? I saw something there. Raikou. Shit, nothing. I thought I saw something earlier. Oh my God, last 2 packs, guys. Last 2 packs. This is getting crazy. This is getting crazy. Oh. Nothing. Oh my God. I told you guys. This pack is shit, man. This box is shit. Shit, man. Holy moly. Let's see all of our hits. I already got that Wally, guys. Okay, this is all trash. EX 1, 2, 3. 4 EX as always. 1 SR, 1, 2, 3. 3 illustration rare, 2 SR. 2 SR, 3 illustration rare. That's it. And 4 EX. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120 ringgit. Oh my God. Holy moly shit. I'm a bit disappointed actually. I'm kinda disappointed on our packs today. So probably I'll go to sleep. I think our luck ran out already because we already got the Mega Gardevoir. So probably our luck ran out, guys. So we need to shut down our luck. We need to sleep and reset our luck for tomorrow. That's the technique. My God, they opened a lot and That's only we got, man. It's really insane. It's freaking insane. It's freaking insane. It's freaking insane. Oh my god. It's freaking insane. And the sad part is we don't have any top loader left. These are the very few top loaders. Okay, guys, I'll cut the video, guys. See you on the next one, guys, because I'll just need to put top loader in sleeves. So that's all, guys. See you on the next one. God bless.